everyone, I'm Joyce and welcome to my video tutorial for our final project in Business Analytics. Today, I'll be discussing regression analysis, both simple and multiple regression, based on James R. Evans' book. Regression analysis is one of the most powerful tools in predictive analytics. It helps us understand relationships between variables and make predictions using data. In this tutorial, I'll also demonstrate how to perform regression analysis using Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. According to James R. Evans, regression analysis is a statistical technique used to develop an equation that describes the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. In simple terms, regression helps us predict one value based on another. For example, predicting sales based on advertising spending, predicting temperature based on time of day, or predicting profit based on price and marketing budget. There are two main types of regression analysis. First, simple linear regression. It uses one independent variable to predict a dependent variable. For example, sales equals A plus B times advertising. Second type is the multiple linear regression. It uses two or more independent variables to predict a dependent variable. For example, sales equals A plus B1 times advertising plus B2 times price. The goal is to find the best fitting line or equation that minimizes the errors between the predicted and actual values. Now, let's go hands-on in Excel to perform a simple linear regression. Step 1. Prepare your data. Let's say we have the following data. Here, sales is a dependent variable or Y and advertising is the independent variable or the X. Step 2. Use the data analysis toolpath. First, go to data, then data analysis, then go to regression. Number 2, for input Y range, select your sales data. Number 3, for input X range, select your advertising data. 4, check the labels box if your columns have titles. Number 5, choose an output range to display your results, then click OK. Step 3, interpret the results. Excel will show a regression output table focused on R squared measures how well your independent variable explains your dependent variable. The closer to 1, the better the fit. Coefficients. These are your regression equation values. Intercept. The constant term. X variable 1, the slope or coefficient. Your equation looks like this. Sales equals A plus B times advertising. If A equals 10 and B equals 1.3, then sales equals 10 plus 1.3 times advertising. This means for every 1,000 pesos increase in advertising, sales increase by about 1,300 pesos. Now, let's move to multiple regression where we use more than one predictor. Let's add another independent variable, price. Advertising 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Price 25, 23, 20, 18, 15. Sales 40, 45, 55, 65, and 70. Step 1, go to data, then data analysis, then regression again. Then input Y range, which is the sales. Next, input X range, select both advertising and price columns. Step 2, click OK and Excel will display multiple coefficients. The equation now becomes sales equals A plus B1 times advertising plus B2 times price. For example, if the output shows intercept or the A equals 5.2, advertising coefficient or the B1 1.1, price coefficient or the B2 negative 0.9, then your equation is sales equals 5.2 plus 1.1 times advertising minus 0.9 times price. The interpretation of that, as advertising increases by 1 unit, sales increase by 1.1 units. As price increases by 1 unit, sales decrease by 0.9 units since it's negative. Regression analysis helps business make data-driven predictions. By analyzing relationships between variables, managers can make informed decisions, like setting advertising budgets or adjusting product prices to maximize sales. As James R. Evans emphasizes, regression analysis is an essential part of the predictive analytics because it connects data patterns with future outcomes. That's all for today's tutorial on regression analysis, both simple and multiple using Excel. I hope this video helped you understand how regression works and how to apply it using real data. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and good luck to everyone with your final projects.